like to welcome our ambassador, Ambassador Hempenstall here, and thank her for coming down here and supporting our party, which you are all enjoying at the moment. And without further ado, I'll pass the mic on because I've nothing else left to say after that. But hip hip hooray for the Irish ambassador. Great.
Well, thank you very much, Alan.
No problem, my pleasure.
What a nice introduction. And it's so nice to be here today.
Okay.
On St. Patrick's Day. No Féile Pádraig, and such a wonderful Irish atmosphere, and everybody's wearing green, having a few drinks, chatting, which is just what an Irish party should be.
Exactly.
So
we're simple people, it's not complicated.
It is not complicated.
Eat, drink and have fun.
Yes, but that is probably why it's become such a global phenomenon, because everybody likes to do that. So in a relaxed way, in a friendly way, and not drink too much. Right, Alan? Unless it goes on.
Define too much.
Yes.
Okay.
For me, I think it's probably a little bit less. And it was great to see some Irish dancing here.